Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with the follow-up video of the previous video that I showed you guys earlier. Now, this is a wig that I made for myself, and I colored it, I curled it as if it were a roller set look. Okay guys? Now, welcome back to anyone that's back again. Welcome back to anyone that's back again. Welcome to all the new handlers, and hey to all my handlers. I love you all, and thanks for supporting the channel. And let's get back into the video because I promised you guys that I would be back to show you guys the letdown, right? And I'm not even gonna lie, I would wear this just like this. Like, I would. Well, not just like this, but I would like make it a little neater, but when I say I love this, I do. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna take out the pins that I put in earlier. So if you didn't get to watch the video that I posted earlier, after this, I think you guys should go back and find it and take a look. Well, you don't have to find it, it's the last video, right? But look how the curls are coming out. They're like fabulous. Fabulous. Look at that. So nice. Ooh. All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed or are enjoying the content. I have a nice video coming up next for you guys. Ooh, y'all are going to love it. But as far as this video is concerned, these curls are beautiful. Go back and see how I accomplished these curls. These are roller set. These curls. These are roller set type curls. Sitting under that dryer is nothing nice, right? So I just started to curl my hair as if it was a roller set. And I used to love to wear it just like that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to pull out these pins so you guys can see it. And yeah, just look and watch. And I'll be back. But look how pretty that is. Ooh. And you could always go back in with your curling iron, whichever ones are not like tight enough for you, but it will be fine because some's tight, some's not that tight, some's, you know.